Big 11-year-old kid here. Sorry I messed up. I have no time to do like reviews of this vlog. So here's the third day at my camp. Sorry if the camera's a little bit off. We're about to go to the beach, like right near here. It's gonna be really cool fun. I got my goggles, and yeah, it's gonna be really good fun. Right now, like, just so you know, if you didn't catch the name, I said in my first shout out. The shout out in my first episode, the shout out was Retro Legend 942, and he's really cool. He does like GTA stuff, but he doesn't say like bad words or inappropriate stuff. And yeah, that's really all for today. I'll make a vlog tomorrow on when we're leaving. I'll see you all next time. See ya!